Follow me on Instagram. I did a poll asking if you wanted a tutorial for this beautiful flower arrangement, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to link everything here. What you need is like a fish bowl, like a glass bowl, and it can be transparent, and we're going to color it, and then like a block, a foam, flower foam, and then some stems. I'm going to link them everything here. But let's start. So if you buy these, you can buy these. I'm going to link one from Michael's, and I think it's $3.99. But you can buy it from Amazon or Walmart or everywhere they sell this. Okay, so first thing, you will have to buy some glass paint, and this is white. And what you're going to do is paint it from the inside. So you will like grab a brush and you will color it, or you can buy a spray paint and just spray it all over inside, and then just wait for it to dry. And then you will get these flower foams that they're also very cheap. I think they're like $3.99 for like a 3-pack. And what you're going to do is put your block like this way. It doesn't matter that it's standing out, because that will help a lot for making like a bubble here. And I'm going to link all the flowers here, but I chose peonies. And then like for example, all these white ones, it was like a bunch in the same stem. And then the like eucalyptus plants, it was like 2 stems for I think $3 or something like that. So these two, they came together. And then the peonies, they were like 1 flower per stem, and I think they were $3 for I'm attaching here ones for $1.99 or something like that. They're like super cheap. And some of them, they have like the flower, and then like the little one. So what you're going to start doing is just cut the stem just like half, because they were like too long. So just cut them with some scissors, and then you can cut the leaves as well, so you can use them as decoration as well. What you're going to start doing is place like the largest flowers first, and we're going to try to make like a bubble. So like obviously the top part is going to be higher than the side parts. So we just start placing the flowers like that. From any side, and you will have a beautiful like 3D design.